Joseph Ole Schumpeter was born on February 8, 1883 in Trier, Moravia, then part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, now located in the Czech Republic. His father, a textile factory owner, died when Schumpeter was still a child. His mother later moved with him to Vienna, the intellectual and political center of the empire, where he received an elite education and eventually enrolled at the University of Vienna. It was during the period that his deep interest in economics truly began to develop. After completing his education, Schumpeter began his academic career and wrote several important works early in life. In 1911, he published one of his most famous works, The Theory of Economic Development, in which he introduced the concept of the entrepreneur as the key agent of economic change through innovation. According to Schumpeter, innovation is not only about new technology, but also includes new ways of organizing production, marketing, and business structures. This innovation, he argued, drive a process he called creative destruction, a dynamic by which all economic structures are destroyed and replaced by new ones, fueling growth but also causing structural instability.
In 2919, Schumpeter briefly entered politics and was appointed Minister of Finance for Austria in the post-World War I period. However, his time in office was short-lived, as he did not enjoy the practical work of politics. He returned to academia, teaching at the University of Bonn in Germany before resorting to the United States in the early 1930 due to rising political unrest in Europe. In the United States, he joined Harvard University as a professor, where he would teach for the rest of his life. Though initially, his teaching style was not widely embraced, over time he became a major influence on younger generation of economists. One of Schumpeter's most important works, Capitalism, Socialism, and Democracy, was published in 1942. In this book, he presented his distinctive view of capitalism's future. Schumpeter agreed that capitalism's very success in creating prosperity would lead to the development of social and political institutions, such as land and an educated middle class, the class that would gradually undermine entrepreneurial dynamics and cause the system to collapse from within. He believed that capitalism may eventually be replaced by a form of socialism, not through revolution, but through institutional evolution. This view challenged the classical belief that capitalism would naturally sustain its life indefinitely.
Schumpeter was known as complex and multidisciplinary thinker. He combined economics with sociology, history, and philosophy to understand economic change. Economics with sociology, history, and philosophy to understand economic change. His approach was often speculative. His contemporaries who focused more on mathematical models. He was also known for his flamboyant personality and self-confidence, famously joking that he wanted to be remembered as the best horse in Europe, the most handsome man in Vienna, and the greatest economist in the world. Joseph Joseph Schumpeter passed away on January 1950. In the Taconic connected user although he was not always considered part of the economic mainstream during his lifetime. His legacy has become increased after his death. Today, his ideas on innovation, entrepreneurship, and the dynamic nature of capitalism are fundamental in modern economic thought, especially in the study of economic growth, technology, and digital economies. The concept of creative exclusion has even become a popular term in the world of business and startup.